If you're looking to update one of your spaces and need new flooring or decking, I would definitely go ahead and pick these up. They're the easiest DIY project we have done in a while. They come packed in different quantities, and you just snap them together and lay them directly down on your surface, and it just completely updates a space without having to do a ton of work. There's no tools necessary. It's just snap and go. And then the way that they're designed, the water doesn't pool underneath it. If you're doing it outdoors, it will drain. I love how this looks. We had this concrete slab behind our garage that I wanted to just like update and elevate without spending a ton of money, and this was just such a great way to do it. We're going to put movies on in the back of our garage and just have like a better place to hang out back here. I'm really happy with the way that they look. It's this like really nice stained wooden slats. We went with the ones that are 5 slats across and are longer. Really happy with these. If you need something to update like your garage, maybe your laundry room, definitely go ahead and grab these.